Hi, just wanted to do a quick video on how to change the battery on the Jaguar I-Pace key fob. So quite simple, we're going to be changing this out with a 2032 battery, a new one from Duracell. So just start by pushing in the lift button there, out pops the key, then put it in that slot, pop, and then the same along there. Just pop this off along the edge. And there we go. Two sections. And there's the old cell. That just slides out. Don't forget to dispose of it safely. Again, there is the new Duracell. Take off the protective backing and pop back into there, just sliding it in, and that is it. Line up the notches there with the notches on the end of the key, give it a squeeze, and there it is.